Good morning, all of you. Uh, the discussion of yesterday class, continuation of yesterday class. See, real numbers, sorry, rational numbers. See, 1.7, conversion of the decimal form into the rational form. The conversion of the decimal form into rational form. Decimal form into rational form. The decimal form into rational form. What is meaning of rational form? P by Q. P by Q. P by Q. See, here is 0.35. 0.35. What is meaning of 0.35? 0.35 means 30 divided by 100. 30 divided by 100. 30 divided by 100. See, why? Because point after how many digits? 35. That means 20 number. 20 number. Here, therefore, 30 divided by 100. See, here is 5. 5 is a unit digit place and the same denominator unit digit place is 0. Okay, the both numbers divisible by 5. See, 5 sevens, 5 20s. 5 20s. This is prime number, this is even number, not cancellation. The standard form of 3500, the standard form of 7 by 20. 7 by 20. This is like P by Q form. P by Q form. Next, go to C. 8.005. What is meaning of minus 8.005? That means 8005 divided by point after how many digits? 3 digits. That like 30 number. 30 number. Like same, the unit digit place is 5, under denominator unit digit place 0. The total, the both numerator and denominator divisible by 5. See, 5 400s, 5 ones. At the same 5 200s. 5 200s. That like this is odd number, this is even number. No cancellation. This is the final. At the same time, see, like this is like a P by Q form. This is like a P by Q form. Another what is the third? Therefore 2.104. 2.104, that means 2104 divided by point after how many is 3 digits. That is called a 30 number. Like, see, this is even number also, this is even number. What is 1052 divided by 500. At the same time, again, the numerator is even number, denominator is even number, also divisible by 2. See, 526. 526 divided by 250. Again, both are even numbers. What is 2 2s, 2 6, 2 3s divided by 125. 125. This is odd number also, this is odd number. Like this is finally, this is 6, 9, 11. No cancellation. This is the P by Q form of 2.104. 2.104. See, the express the mixed recurring decimals. Mixed recurring decimals. What is meaning of recurring decimals? The number is repeated. Here, for example, see, therefore 15.732 bar. That means 15.7323232 up to so on. That like means mix the recurring decimals. Here 15.732 bar. Only 32 bar in P by Q form. P by Q form. Like, see, first of all, let us take x is equal to 15.732 bar. 732 bar. What is therefore x is equal to 15.7. You write 6 digits, 32, 32, 32. Enough. At the same time, see, multiplication 100 with both sides. Multiplication 100 with both sides. Like therefore 100x is equal to multiplication with 100. Therefore 15.7323 3232 into 100. See, what is after point after 73 is coming to before point. Why? Because the multiplication with 100. The multiplication with 100. That means point. What is 2 3 up to so on. Like this is 100x. 100x. Right, this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Finally, therefore, equation number 2 minus equation number 1. Equation number 2 minus equation number 1. Why? Because compared to 2, 1 is small. Compared to 2, equation 1 is small. like see, therefore 100x is equal to 1573.232323. Therefore see, x is equal to, what is x? 15.73 up to so on. Sorry, 7323 okay. See, x is equal to 15.7332 up to so on, like this. See, here is like 2 minus 2 0, 3 minus 3 0, 2 minus 2 0 up to so on. Like what is remaining? See, borrow from 3. What is like 0, 7 to 7, 3, like 0. What is 7 minus 5? 12 minus 7, 5. 0.11 2, 7, 6, 5, 5, 1. That means, see, what is 100 minus x means 1 means 1x. 100 minus 1x means, therefore 99x. Therefore 99x is equal to 1557.50. That means 1557, 50 divided by 100. 50 divided by 100. 1010 cancel. What is 15575 divided by 10 into 99x. Therefore x is equal to 15,577 divided by 10. The 99 transfer to right side. The number is reciprocal into 99. That means divided by this is P by Q form. This is P by Q form. This is P by Q form. Go to the exercise 1.3. See, first Roman, express each of the following decimal in the form of P by Q. Like here is 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the 0.57, 0.4401, 0.1760, 22.125? All 4 numbers are decimal numbers. Here is the express each of the following decimal in the form of P by Q. P by Q form. And each and everything, the decimal form convert into rational form. Decimal form convert into rational form. Therefore 0.57. That means that is equal to, what is after 57 divided by point after how many digits? 2 digits. That like 20 number is 57 by 100. 57 by 100. This is P by Q form. This is P by Q form. Here now second, what is 1.40? 1.401. 1.401. What is total number? 140s divided by point after how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 0 number. 3, 4, 5. 4, 5. This is the P by Q form of 1.0001. 1.40. That like P by Q form. Next go to third. What is third? 0.176. 0.176. That means 0.16 means 176 divided by point after how many digits? 3 digits. The 30 number, 1000 like 1000. Both are even numbers. Any cancellation? See, 88 divided by 500. Also even number. 44 divided by 250. Also both are even numbers. Therefore 22 divided by 125. 125. This is numerator is even number, denominator is odd number. Okay, this is the standard form of 176 divided by 1000 means 22 by 125. Therefore 22 by 125 is P by Q form of 0.176. 176. This is like the decimal form into rational form. Decimal form into rational form. Like third, therefore 25 divided by 125. 25 divided by 125 means 25,125 divided by point after how many? 3 digits? 1000. The numerator is the unit digit plus 5 and denominator unit digit 0. The two numbers divisible by 5 according to divisibility 5. According to divisibility 5. What is 5 5s? 0. What is 5 25s? 5 25s. Thereby 5 200s. At the same time 5 tens. 5 tens. 5 5s. Divided by 5 8s. 5 40s. At the same time again, therefore 5 201s divided by 5 8s. This is finally, therefore 20.25.125, the decimal form convert into rational form. Decimal form convert into rational form. This is 201 divided by 8. The 201 is odd number, 8 is even number. No simplify. This is finally the standard form of 25,125 divided by 1000 means the standard form of 25,125 divided by 1000. That means the standard form 201 by 8. 201 by 8. This is the P by Q form of 25.125. See Roman 2. What is the Roman 2? Each expression of the following decimals in the rational number. Already we are discussing. See Roman 2, first of all 0.9 bar. What is meaning of 0.9 bar? 0.999. See 0.99. How many times? So many times. Let us this is called x is equal to. Let us take x is equal to 0.999. See multiplication with 10 with both sides. Like 0.999 into 10. That means therefore 10x is equal to 9.999, like this. This is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Therefore equation 2 minus equation 1. See what is equation 2? Therefore 10x is equal to 9.999. Therefore what is x is equal to 0.999. That means subtract equation 2 minus equation 1. 10x minus 1x is equal to 9x. Here this 9 minus 9 0, 9 minus 9 0, 9 minus 9 0, 9 minus 9 0. 9 minus 0 9. See here this. Alright, go to 5. What is 5? See 1 power 256 in terms of 4. Therefore what is 4? 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4 4 4 4 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64, 64s are 256. That means 1 divided by 4 power 4 is equal to 4 power a. 4 power a. What is 1 by a power n is equal to, in terms of therefore a power minus n. Therefore 4 power minus 4 is equal to 4 power a. Bases are equal, powers are equal, a is equal to minus 4. Like go to the logarithmic form. See therefore see 4 power minus 4 is equal to 4 power a. Therefore minus 4 is equal to log of 4 power a base 4. 4 power a base 4. That means 4 is equal to, the power a is transferred before log. A into log 4 base 4. Therefore a into log 4 base 4 means already we are discussed. Therefore that is means 1. Like last finally a minus 4 is equal to a. Therefore a is equal to minus 4. A is equal to minus 4. True. See, try this. Write the following relations in exponential form. Exponential form and find the value of respective variables. What is meaning of respective variables? X, here Y, here Z, here A. That means variables. See what is the relation in exponential form. Relation in exponential form. Here the given is logarithmic form. You convert the exponential form, at the same time you find x value also. X value also. Now we are discussed this. See, therefore log. Therefore 32 is equal to 2 power x. This is logarithmic form. Compared, this is exponential form. This is exponential form converted into logarithmic form. Logarithmic form converted into exponential form. See, there x. Okay, what is 32? 2 power 5. 2 power 5 is equal to 2 power x. Base are equal, powers are equal, therefore x is equal to 5. X is equal to 5. See. At the same time, go to this. At the same time, following the exponential form, find the value of x. Go to the log 625. Log 625. What is meaning of log 625? 545. Sorry, 544. 544 base 5 is equal to y. See, the 4 transferred to before log 4 log 5 base 5 is equal to y. Therefore, log 5 base 5. Log 5 base 5 means 1, that is equal to y. Therefore, y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4. This is. At the same time, exponential form. Direct means exponential form. 625 is equal to 5 power y. 625 is equal to 5 power y. What is 625? 5 power 4. That is equal to 5 power y. Base are equal, powers are equal. Y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4. Go to this. See, what is log 10,000? What is meaning of 10,000? 10 power, how many zeros? 4, 10 power 4, base 10. That is equal to z. Therefore, the 4 transferred to before log. Therefore, log into 4 into log 10 base 10 is equal to z. Therefore, log 10 base 10 is equal to 1. Therefore, 4 into 1 is equal to z. Therefore, 4 is equal to z. Z is equal to 4. Z is equal to 4. This is. At the same time, see, what is therefore 10,000 is equal to 10 power z. This is logarithmic form converted into exponential form. What is 10,000? 10 power 4 is equal to 10 power z. Base are equal, powers are equal, therefore z is equal to 4. Z is equal to 4. At the same, see, what is this? Here is question mark. Here is question mark. Compared to this, here is question mark. See, therefore 1 divided by 343 is equal to question mark means x. For example, x power minus a. You find x value. See, what is 1 by 343 means 7 cubed. 343 means 7 cubed. 1 by 7 cubed is equal to x power minus a. X power minus a. Therefore, here is 1 divided by a power n is equal to a power minus n. That means 7 power minus 3, that is equal to x. Base are equal, powers are equal. That means a is equal to 3. Here means what is in the replace of x? 7. In the 7, therefore 7 power minus 3 is equal to 7 power minus a. Now base. What is the nearly here? X is equal to 7. That means base are equal, powers are equal. See, therefore x is equal to 7. X is equal to 7. One more. Go to the logarithm form. See, log 1 by 343 means 7 power minus 3. 7 power minus 3. See, what is here? 7 power minus 3 base 7. 7 power minus 3 base 7 is equal to minus a. See, the minus 3, the power minus 3 come to before log. Minus 3 into log 7 base 7 is equal to minus a. Therefore, minus 3 into log 7 base 7 means 1 is equal to minus a. Therefore, minus 3 is equal to minus a. Therefore, 3 is equal to a is equal to 3. This means, what is, write the following relations, exponential form, and find the value of respective variables. What is respective variables? X, y, z minus a. Minus a. Here, you think and discuss. We know that already we have discussed 2 power 1 is equal to 2 power any power. You take any number power 1 is equal to itself. That means 2 power 1 is equal to 4 power 1 is equal to 4, 8 power 1 is equal to 8, at the same time 10 power 1 is equal to 10. What do you notice about the values of C, log 2 base 2, log 4 base 4, log 8 base 8 and log 10 base 10? What is here means is equal to 1, is equal to 1, is equal to 1, is equal to 1, is equal to 1. Same. This is exponential form, this is logarithmic form. Exponential form, logarithmic form. Exponential form, logarithmic form. Similarly, what do you generalize from this? Very simple, already well known to you. Therefore, 2 power 1 is equal to, therefore 1 is equal to log 2 base 2. At the same time, similarly, 4 power 1 is equal to 1, therefore 1 is equal to log 4 base 4. Like this. This is thing to discuss. Here, does log 0 base 10 is exist? No exist. The power is 0, no exist. Not exist. Not exist. This is for play. Remaining tomorrow we are discussing the next class.